It's negative 15 degrees outside right now. My furnace hasn't turned on in the past 2 hours, and yet the room I'm sitting in is warm. I'm not saying it's perfectly comfortable, but it's genuinely warm. Actually warm. And all of that warmth is coming from this simple device. It's nothing more than a wooden box that I mounted on my south-facing wall, filled with aluminum cans that I painted black. There's no electricity running through it, no fuel burning inside it, and absolutely no moving parts. The sun is doing all the work, the exact same way it's been doing it throughout the entire day, and it's going to continue doing it until the sunlight fades away. The total cost for me to build this was just $8. Now, I'm not going to sit here and tell you that this is some brand new revolutionary invention that nobody has ever heard of before. This technology has been present in off-grid and do-it-yourself communities for well over 40 years now. People have been constructing these solar air heaters and mounting them on sheds, cabins, garages, and south-facing walls all across Canada and throughout the northern United States ever since the 1980s. The reason why this technology never went mainstream and never became a household name is honestly quite simple when you think about it. Nobody can profit from sunlight. The heating and cooling industry generates a staggering $240 billion every single year by selling you expensive equipment and costly fuel to condition the air in your home. A simple box made from recycled cans that accomplishes a meaningful portion of that same job for just $8 is not something that this massive industry has any financial incentive whatsoever to help you discover. So let me take the time right now to show you exactly how to build one of these for yourself. You already understand how this works on a fundamental level. You've witnessed this phenomenon your entire life. That's exactly why you crack open a car window on a sunny winter day and then come back to find a warm interior even when the outside temperature is below freezing. That's precisely why a greenhouse stays warm in the middle of February with absolutely no external heat source. That's exactly why a black metal surface sitting in direct sunlight gets hot enough to literally burn your hand when the air temperature around it is barely above 0 degrees. Dark surfaces naturally absorb solar radiation and convert that energy directly into heat. What you're building here is essentially a way to capture that heat energy and move it into a room instead of simply letting it radiate back out into the sky and disappear. Cold air enters the system at the bottom. It flows upward through a column of black aluminum cans that the sun has been heating throughout the entire day. It exits at the top as warm air. That warm air naturally rises up into the room. The room air gradually cools down, drops back down, and cycles back into the bottom of the collector to be heated again. There's no fan required, no pump needed, no electricity consumed whatsoever. This is pure convection at work. It's the same exact physics that makes heat rise above a campfire, except now it's doing something genuinely useful for you. And here's the specific number that completely stopped me in my tracks when I first came across this information. A 3-foot by 6-foot collector that was built by engineering students at the University of Washington produced 2,246 British thermal units per hour on a sunny day. According to industry standards, it takes approximately 5,000 British thermal units to properly heat a 125 square foot room. That single box on its own covered nearly half of that heating requirement. $8 worth of materials and one Saturday afternoon of your time.